Hey friends, I'm back. I've been successfully mowing the grass after doing all this work to the mower, but I've noticed what seems like a loud knocking noise developing. Right now I've got the cover off. It's over there. I had it on while I was mowing, but I took it off and put the filter back on so I could start it, and you can hear what it's doing. I'm not really sure. I'm not sure why it's making this noise. I'm not sure if this is kind of like a car when you hear knocking, I think it's the pistons going bad. I could be totally wrong about that, but I'm really hoping it's not anything bad. It's running pretty good. It's a bit sluggish when there's thick grass. It struggles quite a bit if I try to power through it. But if I raise the deck some and take my time through it, it does okay. So, I'm not sure if that's normal. But anyway, maybe you guys can help me figure out what this noise is. I don't know, it almost sounds like maybe something's hitting somewhere. Like banging or something. I'm really not sure what's going on here. Well, maybe you guys have some ideas.